This is very, very good. I want to introduce to you guys this product. This is I Am Amazing Pure Barley. This is pure organic barley. And you know that barley is the it is the healthiest, the one with most benefits. It is scientifically proven to be the healthiest grass, okay? And so this one is really nice. This is very good for you. If alam niyo po, if familiar kayo sa story ni Miss Maritoni Fernandez, ito po yung tumulong sa kanya sa cancer niya. Nag-barley siya ng barley, talagang religiously she was taking this one, this specific one. So nakatulong to sa kanya. Who else ang natulungan nitong barley na to? Huwag na po tayong lumayo, si Robin. You're taking that, sabi ni Majen 23, I'm taking that, Miss Mariel. Very good. Very good. Si Robin,